Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you a tutorial for Pixabay copyright-free music guide for beginners. So the whole idea of Pixabay is that you can use royalty-free music and downloads. So if you go onto content license summary here, we can see exactly what we can do with the content. So subject to so Pixabay is a vibrant community of authors, artists that share only royalty-free images, videos, audio, and other media. We refer to this collectively as content. By accessing and using content, you agree to comply with a license. So you can use any content for free without having to attribute to the author. You can use it for free and you can modify or adapt content into new works. So here are some things that you can't do. So for example, you cannot remove trademark logos of brands. You cannot use content for any immoral or illegal ways. You cannot use content in misleading or deceptive ways. And you cannot use any of the content as part of the trademark, design, trade name, business name, or service mark. So as you can see, all content is released under the content license, which makes them safe to use without asking for permission, even for commercial purposes. So what that means is we can use any of these from photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects, 3D models, GIFs, and we can use any of these as long as we are doing it in accordance with these rules. So for example, I can go ahead and add to the collection, like it, and download this, and use this for anything that I want. So which is great. The only ways that you'll be getting copyright marks is if you do any of these things that I mentioned before. As you can see, if you go into a particular page here, you can go ahead and see the information. So for example, free for use, it says this. And again, yeah, you can use any of this, even for commercial use without getting copyright strikes. So you just need to avoid using these. And there's more information. So if you click here and click on the content license, you can go ahead and view all the terms of service and view everything that you might need to view. So yeah, you don't need to worry about it if you're using it for personal reasons or even commercial reasons. That's how that works, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.